Hey, what's happening, everybody? We're going to talk about a strict band row today. Okay, so got my continuous loop bands from my man Dave Schmitz. I'm going to take the band and find something stable that you're going to anchor it down to, whether that's the door attachment or something hooked onto a wall that's not going to move. I've got a heavy loaded sled here I'm going to hook it onto. If you are using something like this, be careful, because if you are pulling upward, it's going to pull up and off. So I'm hooking it on. Find something stable. That could be some body that you trust to hold on to it. I'm going to take the band, grab it hip width apart. Okay, take a step back. So there's some tension in the band. I'm using a black band. On the low end, I would say a red band, black, purple, green on the heavy band. On the heavy end, if you're using the resistancebandtraining.com band. So stepping back, I'm going to find, what I want to see is my head, shoulders, hips stacked on top of each other. So I'm going to step back and I'm going to find that counterbalance. So the band's pulling me slightly, but I'm going to sit back and drop into this a little bit, because as I start to pull, that band's going to want to pull me forward. So I need to counterbalance that with my body weight. So as I stand here, I'm sitting as if I'm sitting in a high chair, and then I'm going to be pulling back. Shoulders, I want you to keep them down and draw them back. As I'm reaching forward, they may come forward a little bit, but as I pull back, I'm going to initiate this pull with my shoulders, pull my shoulders nice and back and proud. Open the chest and the shoulders up, and then come back out. Strict band row, I like to use this one for more strength-focused exercises, where I really want to dig in and get some heavy pulling in. Pull back, feel those shoulder blades draw together, feel those shoulder blades draw down, keep your ears away from, or your shoulders away from your ears, and get that pulling and back nice and strong. So have at it, strict band row. We'll see you soon.